incumbent upon you in your exalted station are fraught with grave responsibility. Remember that the honor, reputation, and the usefulness of your lodge will materially depend upon the skill and assiduities with which you manage its concern, and that the happiness of its member will be generally promoted in proportion to the watchful care with which you will cherish the genuine principles of our institution. For a pattern of imitation, consider the great luminary of nature which rising in the east regularly diffuses light and luster to all within itself. In like manner, it is your province to spread and communicate light and instructions to the brethren of your lot. Forcibly impress upon them the dignity and the high importance of Masonry, and seriously admonish them never to disgrace it. Charge them to practice up to the duties which they have been taught in, and by amiable, discreet, and virtuous conduct, to convince mankind of the goodness of this institution, so that when a person is said to be a member of it, the world may know that he is one to whom the burdened heart may pour out its soul, one to whom distress may prepare its soul, one whose hand is guided by justice, and whose hand is expanded by benevolence. In short, by the diligent observance of the bylaws of your lodge, the Constitution of Masonry, and above all, the Holy Scripture, which are given as a rule and guide of your faith, you will be enabled to acquit yourself in the highest honor here, and lay up a crown of rejoicing, which shall continue. I, Brother Senior and Junior Warren, you are too well acquainted with the principles of Masonry to warrant any distrust that you will be found wanting in the discharge of your respective duties. Suffice it to say that what you have seen praiseworthy in others, you should carefully imitate. And what in them may have appeared to defective, you should yourself avoid. You should be example of the discretion and propriety, for it is only by a due regards of our laws and regulations as shown in your conduct that you can expect obedience to them from others. You are assiduously to assist the master in the discharge of his trust, diffusing light and imparting knowledge to all whom he shall place under your care. In the absence of the master, you will succeed to higher duties. Your acquirement must therefore be such, ensure proper instruction to the crowd. From the spirit you have hitherto evinced, I entertain no doubt that your future conduct will be such as will merit the applause of your brethren and the testimony of a good conscience. Brethren of San Benito Lodge number 211, please rise. Such is the nature of our Constitution that some must of necessity rule and teach, so much others, of course, learn to submit and obey. Humility in both is an essential duty. The officers you have chosen to govern your lodge are sufficiently conversant with the rules of propriety and the laws of the institution to avoid exceeding the power which they are entrusted. And you are of too generous disposition to invade their preference. I therefore trust that you will have but one aim, to place one another and unite in the grand design of promoting happiness. Finally, my brethren, as this association has been formed and perfected in so much unanimity and concord, so may it long continue. May you long enjoy every satisfaction and delight which this interested friendship can offer. May kindness and brotherly affection distinguish your conduct as men and as Masons. Within your peaceful walls, may your children celebrate with joy and gratitude the annual reoccurrence of this auspicious solemnity, and may the tenets of our profession be transmitted through this last, pure and unimpaired, from generation to generation. Last warden, and members may be set.